So hello mga Cooleet Shop, isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ayan, today is Saturday at siyempre po tuwing Saturday tayo ay nagbabike ride. Medyo tinanghali lang po kami ng gising dahil wala po sana kami planong mag-bike ride for today dahil birthday ko ngayon. Ayun, life begins at 40. Kaya lang po itong si Zane ay nag-aya po. Ito, warm up po muna kami dito sa phase 2 ng aming subdivision. As usual para ma-prepare po sa ride mamaya, no? So after warm up, lalabas na kami ng subdivision, guys. Dahan-dahan. Go. So malamig pa rin naman ang hangin ngayon at maganda pa rin mag-bike, no? Masarap pa rin mag-bike. Ayun, kailangan natin ng vitamin D. Slowly. Sipas daw. Sige, diretso. Salamat po. So guys, maganda rin kasi yung nagbabike talaga, no? Kasi nararamdaman ko na yung benefit sa akin kasi ayun nga, sa pagdating sa kanya, hindi na siya ubuhin. Bihira na siyang ubuhin. Okay ka doon, akyat. Okay. Maganda rin kasi yung naaarawan tayo, guys, no? Nakaarawan tayo, nakakapag-exercise. Baba ka na. Ayo. Baba ka muna bike. Sa kabila. Hindi ba ka sa batalya mo? Diretso. Diretso lang. Tayo sa diretso. So ayan guys, nasa Aguado ulit kami guys, no? So ito naman yung favorite namin na puntahan. Ayun nga, last week nag-iba kami ng ruta. Hindi ko na video, no? Hindi ko na upload dahil nga pangit yung resolution ng natin, action cam, at isa pa, pangit yung view. Diretso lang. Itong hot chain, malakas na talaga to sa biking. So ngayon, ibang ruta naman yung dadaanan namin, no? Hindi na kami dun sa pinuntahan namin dati. Matarik, sawa na rin siya. Wala na rin naman kami ibang mapuntahan dun. Tapos alert lang para madali makapreno. Tingin sa harap para alam kung saan pupunta. So kami naman guys ay chill ride lang, no? So bike lang na ganito. Hindi naman kami yung kakarera. Diskartehan mo na yung mga nasa unahan kung paano ang gagawin. Dapat jeepney parang bus. Bakit parang bus? Oo nga, no. Galing mo, ha. Kita mo pa yun, ha. So, dyan kami, guys, pumupunta sa kaliwa dati, no. Ayan. Dito sa Matarik. Diretso! Diretso, pedal. So this time, dumiretso kami guys, no? Iikutin namin yung barangay Aguado, paikot kami. Nakalibot na kasi kami ng ilang beses dun sa kabila, sa pakaliwa. So ngayon, diretso naman kami, no? At ang labas na nito ay yung Petron sa May Regina, yung dinaanan namin kanina. Diretso ka lang pero wag ka sa gitna. Diyan ka lang sa may bandang gilid. Bilisan mo konti. Okay lang mabilis ng konti. Huwag lang sobrang bilis. Kasi pag sobrang bilis, baka hindi mo makontrol, may mga bangka.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of the way.
Dito na kami ngayon sa Aguado Elementary School. Abot na kami dito. Aguado Elementary School. Kung may pababa dyan, ha, medyo bibilisan mo pagka pataas na para hindi ko mahirapan ng paakyat, ha. Pero dahan-dahan ka lang, ha, sa pababa. Huwag masyado mabilis na sa pababa kasi baka may biglang tumawid na tricycle. So eto guys, pababa na kami. Pabulusan kami pababa.
We'll choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too
Alala ka sa
long,
preno, may
it
motor.
hurts to
Kaya mo na
watch
yung
your
motor.
blue eyes
Kaya na,
fade
malapit
to
na yung
gray
pababa, pataas,
as
ha.
you fade away.
Ayan, curve. Dito ka na.
As you fade away.
Sa gilid lang, sa gilid lang. Oh. Yes, padyak! Yes, padyak, padyak! Gusto mo, gusto mo, gusto mo! Ayun! Ahon! Ha? Ahon ka, ha? O, dito tayo sa ano, kanan. Sa right. Pahinga ka? O, rest ka muna, rest dyan sa tabi. O, stop na. Oo, huwag mong gaganin. Hindi naman kailangan nakaganon. Huwag mo lang hawakan.
Blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Babay ka na sa kanya, babay ka na. Sabay ka na tayo. Bye-bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Yan guys, akala ko hindi aahon kanina eh. Aahon pa rin pala, walang tigil. Stop muna dyan, stop sa gilid. May tricycle.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Dito!
And sometimes
Nandito na kami sa Southville. Iwas ka lang sa aso ha. Mabot ka ng aso. Layo ka sa aso, layo. Layo.
we're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So yung susunod naman namin target is yung papunta naman ng Luciano, no? Lapidario, Luciano. Practice lang muna kami dito. Sagado sila, no? Hindi na gulay. Dito mo, yun, nagbuda traffic tayo. Dito mo. Dito mo, doon. Tabi, tignan mo.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah,
Gilid.
are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? That's what you ask me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun.
Kahit natuod mo.
Need purpose to overcome, but try to do
Nandito kami ngayon sa may Petron, may Regina Bin ng Inocencio. Ayan, doon kami dumaan kanina sa highway, papunta dun sa may Aguado papasok. And then, dito kami lumabas ngayon. Ayan. So, umikot kami guys. Umikot namin yung galing sa Aguado to Southville. At yan, dito kami lumabas ngayon. Sa may Alphamart. So time check, 8:51. So 8:51, so almost isang oras kami nagbike. Dito ka na lang tumawid. Sige, dito ako muna sa left. Tingnan mo, yung sasakyan. Dito. Sige. Tumingin ka muna dyan sa gilid.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'm tired of my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be a dead. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.